Hello, everyone. Hello, every lover of Creativeness International. These are some set of auto gele that I made for my client this past week, and they are lovely. Though she just wanted gele converted to auto gele, so we did a few number of them for her according to the designs that she loves. All right, so I want to use this medium to say thank you to all our clients for choosing our brand. There are a lot of persons doing the same work that we are doing, but it has pleased you for us to serve you, and we are not taking it for granted. I just want to say thank you. We are always busy because of you. We are always engaged, always booked because of you. And I want to say thank you very much. Also, I want to also use this video to just create some awareness about this business. For us to create auto gele, it's not the same thing as just tying your gele. Some people just tie gele and they said they have done auto gele. They tie it, pull it out of the dummy's head and pin it. This is not what we do. Our job is a very thorough job, neatly finished job, and it takes time for us to give you a good quality. And most times we have just one client booking up to 30, 40 gele, and it's not something that you will just do in days. You have to take your time from the base to the top to the finishing and packaging. It takes time. So what I'm trying to say is, please, if you want us to do your job, you have to give us some quality time. Please do not, we don't do in my urgent work. We don't do urgent work. This is because as at the time you will be booking us, we already have some job at hand that we are trying to finish. So please bear with us. Everyone that call us, admire our product, they matter so much to us. So, but give us the time needed for us to be able to do your job. That's all we're saying. The lowest you could think of, you should think of booking us to be like 3 weeks ahead of your occasion. At least 3 weeks ahead of your occasion. By then we know that there's no way we will not fix it before that 3 weeks. Thank you very much. I love you all. Thank you. God bless you for choosing Creative Events International. God bless you.